This mind-blowing modern house in Malkerns was built using a shipping container, concrete and steel, creating a stylish and comfortable abode with modern finishes throughout. A well-crafted front door ushers you into an impressive high-ceilinged living space with large glass windows on the front and accented by a floating staircase. The living area has a fully furnished open kitchen that is enough with adequate storage cabinets, a well-finished kitchen backsplash, stainless steel appliances to ensure the sleek kitchen is functional. Next to the kitchen is a dining space, nicely furnished with a custom dining table and beautiful bench seating. The lavish decorated living area features a sectional couch for comfortable lounging. There is a TV for your entertainment and a fireplace to keep the place warm during chillier months. The large glass windows in the living space not only offer good ventilation, they also allow for ample daylighting and offer unrestricted access to the outdoor patio. This container architecture is highlighted in the living room by exposing the corrugated container walls to bring out the original charm of building with shipping containers, hence emphasizing the industrial language of the design. On the second floor level is nicely furnished with the first bedroom featuring two comfortable single beds, floor-to-ceiling closet, and good-sized glass windows for daylighting. The first bedroom is serviced by a minimalist bathroom that features a tiled shower cubicle and a separate toilet, plus a modern wash hand basin. On the opposite side of the first bedroom is a spacious master bedroom. It features a comfy queen bed and large glass windows that offer an elevated view of the outdoors. The master bedroom features a large master bathroom with a bathtub, a toilet, and a vanity. The second floor offers access to a spacious patio, and the patio delivers the versatility of these family needs. It is a spacious outdoor space big enough to accommodate an outdoor living space with a dining area. The color palette for the house interior is white and bright, making the spaces look bigger and giving that illusion of large indoor spaces throughout. The exterior design of this house uses different materials such as concrete, corrugated steel, and container walls, emphasizing the industrial theme of the house. Which part of this amazing home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. If you love shipping container homes, you are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we feature and showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.